In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable Microsoft Authenticator on GoDaddy. Begin by making sure you are already signed into your GoDaddy account. Once you are logged in, the main dashboard should be visible on your screen. This is where you will start the process. Next, move to the top right corner of the page and click on your account name. This will open a drop-down menu with several account options. From that menu, select Account Settings to continue. After the Account Settings page opens, look for the Security Settings section. This area contains the tools used to manage how your account is protected. Open that section so you can view your available security options. Inside Security Settings, find the option labeled Two-Step Verification. Select it to open the list of verification methods connected to your account. This page will show the different ways GoDaddy can verify your identity when you sign in or make changes to your account. Now locate Microsoft Authenticator in that list. Once you find it, choose the option to manage it. This will open the settings specifically related to Microsoft Authenticator, where you can make changes to how it is used with your account. When the management page appears, click Disable. This option turns off Microsoft Authenticator as a verification method for your GoDaddy account. After you click Disable, GoDaddy may ask you to confirm the change before it is applied. If prompted, enter your account password or a verification code to verify that the request is authorized. This extra step helps protect your account and ensures that only you can remove a sign-in method. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully until the confirmation process is complete. Once the confirmation is accepted, Microsoft Authenticator will be disabled for your GoDaddy account. At that point, the change is finalized, and the app will no longer be used as a two-step verification method for that account. Take a moment to review your security settings after the change is complete. This helps confirm that Microsoft Authenticator has been removed successfully and that your account is still set up the way you want. If you use another verification method, make sure it is active so you can continue accessing your account without issues. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.